I look back at our original training program, the Coach Training Intensive. We launched it back in May of 2010. It's been a long time, more than a decade. And I remembered one key. I had been talking about it for a few years. People had been asking me to create a coach training program. But I didn't create it until I actually set a date. We launched the website. I told people it was coming. It was 5 months away. But there was an actual date and a commitment on the books. You see, one of my core fears is fear of disapproval. And while it can feel like being motivated by fear is not a good idea, sometimes you can use your weaknesses as an actual strength. And I know that when I commit to something and I tell people I'm going to get something done, I do it. So by announcing it, by putting everything in motion, I then had a deadline that I could commit to and that I knew I would live up to. Maybe it's the pressure. Maybe it's just the structure of knowing this is when it's going to happen because you've already told people when it's going to happen. But I know this, when I did that, I was motivated, I got moving, and we have been rolling ever since. So how about you? What motivates you? Think back to a time when you got the thing done you needed to get done. What was in place? What were the circumstances? What were the dynamics? And is there a way for you to set up that same scenario now so that you'll be motivated to move forward and get the thing done that you need to get